Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most exciting and innovative technologies out there, virtual reality, or VR. Specifically, we'll be looking at how VR is revolutionizing the world of marketing. So, what exactly is virtual reality? Put simply, it's an immersive experience that allows you to enter a digital world through a headset or other device. But what does this have to do with marketing? Well, as it turns out, VR has a lot to offer in terms of creating engaging and memorable marketing experiences. First and foremost, VR is all about immersion. When you put on a VR headset, you're transported to another world where you can interact with virtual objects and environments. This means that marketers can use VR to create experiences that are much more engaging than traditional ads or marketing materials.
For example, imagine that you're trying to sell a new car. Instead of just showing a video or a picture of the car, you could create a VR experience that allows the viewer to sit in the driver's seat, explore the interior, and even take the car for a virtual test drive. This kind of immersive experience is much more likely to stick with the viewer than a simple ad, and it can help create a stronger emotional connection to the product.
But it's not just about creating engaging experiences. VR also allows marketers to gather valuable data and insights about their customers. By tracking where users are looking, what they're interacting with, and how they're moving through the VR environment, marketers can gain a better understanding of what resonates with their audience and what doesn't. This can be incredibly useful for refining marketing strategies and creating more effective campaigns in the future. Of course, VR is still a relatively new technology, and there are some challenges that come along with it. For one thing, it can be expensive to create high-quality VR experiences, which means that smaller businesses may not be able to take advantage of it. Additionally, there's a learning curve when it comes to creating effective VR experiences. It's not as simple as just filming a video or creating a graphic.
But despite these challenges, the potential of VR in marketing is enormous. As the technology continues to evolve and become more accessible, we can expect to see more and more businesses using VR to create unique and engaging marketing experiences that really resonate with their customers.
So, what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of VR in marketing? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.